Welcome to the Easy channel and let's start for today. Few videos about disobeying traffic lights.
Oh my god.
They never fucking go anywhere, especially my dad.
Your dad's always there. He's like, it's like his dojo or something. It's crazy.
I have no idea how to eat it.
Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god!
It's okay, babe. It's alright, honey. Mommy. They totally ran it. Mommy.
Adjust your speed according to the road condition. It's very simple to keep distance between the cars.
Like that would ease a lot of this shit. A lot of these people that go astray and go into right-wing fucking shittiness because they didn't find anybody to connect. See ya.
Oh my god!
Oh, Jesus! Oh my god! That's what. Oh my god! I got that on dash cam. Oh my god!
Sometimes it's not things that are so visible.